Hey guys, welcome back to another deep treat for the week. My name is Abby, and honestly, I just hope you're as excited as I am about this deep conditioner because it is actually one of my favorites. So as you can see, my hair is real crusty, dusty, and musty, full of dirt, and in need of a wash because it has been in this high puff for about a week and a half now. So I am going to be washing my hair, and today's wash is featuring the Lotta Body Hydrate Me Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner. Honestly, one of my favorite duos because it just leaves my hair so soft and so hydrated after a wash. I prefer having my hair clean when I deep condition because it just ensures that all of the nutrients from the deep conditioner are being applied to each and every one of my hair strands. So once I have finished shampooing and conditioning my hair, I go ahead and out of the shower do a hot oil treatment. Today's concoction is featuring olive, argan, jojoba, shea butter, almond, and Jamaican black castor oils. This is my favorite little concoction just because it has every bit of oil that does everything that my hair needs, which includes moisture, hair growth, hair strength, all that good stuff. And honestly, I just take this little applicator bottle and place it in the microwave for about a minute. And then I just start applying this treatment into my hair, and I give myself a little scalp massage for about 4 to 5 minutes just because this is going to be washed out anyways. Today's deep conditioner is featuring the Natural Club Deep Conditioner based from avocado, and I'm trying the dry hair solution today. It's not my first time using this deep conditioner in my hair. I actually have another video which I will place in an iCard above so that you guys can check that out with more details. But I just really enjoy using this deep conditioner because it's avocado based. I love using avocado for my hair because it just keeps my hair really shiny and strong, full of moisture, and this specific deep conditioner is amazing. Now, the Natural Club does have a subscription service where you are able to order your solution box, whether you want it for dry hair, dull hair, or damaged hair, and they send it to you on a monthly basis so that you can deep condition your hair all the time. It's a bargain. Like, I'm telling you, you need to do it. I've been doing it. It's amazing. So now, just to give you guys a breakdown of how I apply the deep conditioner, I take a generous amount and then I take my hair into its section and I apply it all over, but focusing on the ends just because it's the oldest part of my hair. I go from ends all the way up to my roots, and I just finger comb and place that all into my hair strands. Then I take a wide tooth comb and I detangle and I flat twist the hair down just to keep it out of the way. And I go ahead and repeat this with every other section, and then I'll show you guys at the end what my hair is looking like once my deep conditioner has been applied to every single section. Once the deep conditioner has been in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes, I wash it out and then I add some of my new Natural Growth Serum. Now, this growth serum is actually new to the Natural Club, and it is basically a combination of 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, and other essential oils to keep my scalp feeling revitalized and replenished. I take about a dime-sized amount of the growth serum and I place it on my scalp and throughout my hair to stimulate blood flow and promote hair growth. I'm actually going to be using this growth serum for the next couple of months to see how well it works with my hair and to share my hair growth results with you guys. After that, I style my hair like I normally would, and here you have my results. Full, shiny, healthy, and freshly deep conditioned hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.